We will feed the chicken. Ha? Kuya, can you point the chicken? Where's the chicken? There you go. Oh. What beans do you want? White? White. So kay kuya yung black. Oh, kuya, here's yours. Black beans and white beans. Oh, open. Kuya, open. Open here. Open, kuya. Open. Hmm. Hmm. Oh, go. Get the scooper. Hmm. Oh. Oh, you feed the chicken. Go. Oh, put the... Yan, here, dito. Yeah, very good, kuya. Go, Malcolm. Go, Kuya Marcos. Very good, Malcolm. Oh, go. Oh, feed nyo yung chicken, kuya. Go. Kuya. Very good, oh. Oh, go, Kuya Marcos. No, hayaan mo yung mouth niya. Okay lang yan. Go. Go, kuya. Ay, nahulog. Ay, nahulog. Hey. Oh, do not get yung black, ha. White only. Get me yung, ano. Dali, feed mo. Here.
I want to feed his hand. I want to put his hand in there.
Kuya, use the scooper. Kuya. Here's yours, oh. Oh. Use the scooper. I will open. Wait. Hold mo, hold. Go. Go, kuya. Go. Kuya Marcos, go. Feed me yung chicken, go. Ng black beans. Malcolm is feeding the chicken using white beans. Ito, this one. Ay, you also like white beans? Okay, sige. Go.
Where pa yan?
Oh, here, kuya. Here. Kuya. Kuya. Here.
Kuya,
Ay, kuha si kuya ng black beans. Pipid niya yung chicken. Go, kuya.
may scooper.
Oh,
Nakain lang.
kinain ng chicken yung scooper mo. Hala. Oh, ayan. Here.
No.
Go, kuya. No. Use the scooper, kuya. Scoop, kuya. Scoop. Scoop, kuya. Here. Scoop. Okay. Good job, kuya.
Kuya, help me.
O, kuya, scoop mo rito. Scoop. Go, kuya. Oh. Oh, scoop. Scoop. No. Hala, kuya, what did you do? You have to scoop. Use this. Scoop mo, scoop. Scoop. Go. No, here, sa mouth ng chicken. Doon sa mouth ng chicken, kuya. Kuya, feed the chicken. Come on. Put here in the scooper, oh. Oh. Then you feed the chicken. Huh? Go, kuya, feed the chicken. Use the scooper, Malcolm. Malcolm, use the scooper. Not your hands. Use the scooper, oh. Like that, oh. Yan. Yeah, put the scooper inside the bottle.
Kasi yan.
Of course. Oh, see? Very good. Oh, ha, kuya, go. Use the scooper, kuya. Scoop. Feed the chicken. In the mouth. In the mouth. Wala, you're using your hand na, kuya. Tama. Wala, do not put it in there, kuya. Go. No. No, kuya. You feed the chicken properly, kuya.
Daddy, get my black one. one.
It's okay, you can scoop. Dali. Scoop. Scoop it out. Yan. Go. Go. Shoot. Shoot in the mouth. Go. There's more. Go, Kuya Marcos. Oh, what is the sound of the chicken?
Cock-a-doodle-doo.
Cock-a-doodle-doo.
And a cock. How about the reindeer?
Reindeer. Chicken yun eh. You're feeding the chicken eh.
Where's the reindeer?
With Santa Claus.
My favorite.
Go, Malcolm.
Right.
Go. No, do not get the food inside the mouth. You feed him more beans. O, kuya, ikaw. Go. Feed. Here. No. Feed the chicken. No. Do not put it there. No, kuya. Not nice, kuya. Not nice. Not nice, ha? Not nice, okay? Not nice, Kuya Marcos. Here. Put it inside the mouth ng chicken. Yan, good. Again. Okay, go scoop.
Wow. So many.
Inside the mouth, Kuya. Inside the mouth. Inside the mouth. Very good. Busog na ba yung chicken? Ha? Not yet. Hindi pa siya full. Ang dami na niyang na-eat na white beans and black beans.
I can fry.
Go, kuya. Very good. More. Okay. Go. More. Later na natin i-get yan. Feed mo muna yung chicken. Go. Hindi, kuya is already feeding more, black beans. Go.
I cannot pick it.
You hold it at the, end of the scooper. Yan, like that. Si kuya, tingnan si kuya, holding it at the end, See?
I hold this.
Okay.
I need to get yung black.
Okay.
And yung white.
Kuya, go. Very good. More.
Here you go, chicken.
Okay.
Here you go. I'm scooping it.
What did the chicken says?
Cock-a-doodle-doo.
Cock-a-doodle-doo.
Kuya, you're winning now. Huh?
Go, kuya. Kuya, more, Feed the chicken, Kuya Marcos. Feed the chicken. Feed the chicken. Go. Tapon yung food ng chicken. Ala, sinubuan na yung chicken. Ala. Kuya, go.
Huh?
Are you done feeding the chicken? Ha? Are you done feeding the chicken?
We're feeding pa.
Go, kuya. Feed the chicken pa.
I think Daddy.
It's bad beans.
White bean.
Feed the chicken bad beans. Yucky! Sabi ng chicken.
Don't say Jackie. Chicken, don't say yucky. It's not dirty. It's clean. Wow.
Go feed the chicken using your hands.
I'm using my hand.
Go feed the chicken using your hands. Wait. Baka ma. No, kuya. Do not put it there, Kuya Marcos. Put it inside the mouth of the chicken, kuya. Inside the mouth of the chicken, Kuya Marcos. Kuya. Very good. Go. Oh, there's more, oh. Put it inside the mouth. Inside the mouth. Kuya. Kuya, go. Go, Kuya Marcos. Go. Malcolm, go. Very good.
With the black one.
Wala, kawawa naman yung mountain chicken. Puno na yung stomach niya. Ha?
Tapos siya, kasi ako.
O, bilisan mo dali. Konti na lang. Dali.
Kailang.
Almost done, kuya. More food, kuya. Kuya, put more food, kuya. Ah! Yung tang ng chicken, yung tang ng chicken. Yung tang. Hello! I'm a chicken. Kakadoodaloo! Okay, very good. Ay, hindi pa pala finish eh. Okay, good job. High five.
Oh, kuya.
Hindi, okay na to. Okay na to. This is enough. Good job. High five, Kuya Marcos. High five, Malcolm.
Kuya, with the
Oh,
chicken.
It's okay. Finish na.